The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence in software development tools has sparked a broad discussion about whether AI can replace human programmers. With AI systems such as ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and OpenAI's Codex performing tasks like writing entire websites, suggesting code improvements, and debugging, it may seem like programmers could soon become obsolete. These tools are proficient in generating code, fixing errors, and accelerating the coding process, leading to a perception that they might replace human programmers. However, despite these capabilities, the need for human programmers remains crucial due to several limitations inherent in AI. First, while AI can handle basic coding tasks, it lacks the deeper understanding required to solve complex logic problems, display genuine creativity, and design large-scale software systems. AI tools are not capable of comprehending nuanced business logic or making judgment calls that transcend mere code syntax. Consequently, human insight remains indispensable in guiding AI technology effectively. The role of AI in programming is best seen as an augmentation rather than a substitute. It acts as an invaluable assistant to developers, managing repetitive or mundane tasks, allowing them to concentrate on more strategic elements of software development. As AI tools integrate more into the development landscape, programmers who adopt and work alongside these technologies will likely outpace those who resist its incorporation. Looking forward, the symbiotic relationship between AI and programmers holds great potential. Rather than fearing displacement, aspiring programmers should embrace AI, learning to use these innovative tools to enhance their productivity and revamp traditional coding processes. The skills developed in AI-assisted coding ensure that one's expertise remains relevant in a rapidly evolving technological scene. In conclusion, just as calculators did not eliminate the need for mathematicians, AI will not erase the role of programmers. Instead, it will streamline operations, providing programmers with powerful means to improve efficiency and innovation in coding. Thus, embracing AI in programming will not only be critical in keeping up with the technological tide, but also in shaping the future of software development itself.